These guys are like pigs. Just walking down the blind, just eating everything. You bum. Coming towards me. Coming right for me. That guy's freaking me out. Like a freaking buffet. Here comes what? It's too bad the doves are eating everything.
They're just throwing it all over the place.
Yeah.
Hey, you. I'm talking to you.
This guy's like, what? You talking to me? There's nothing left? Right. I think they get the point. I think they see where this is going.
I'm close.
Nice.